Hey, what's up, guys? So, welcome to another Forex Weekly Market Analysis. I'm your host, Aleks Vince and it's a pleasure to host you. If you're a new subscriber, please make sure to subscribe. Um, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for the support so far that I have received from you guys. So, we're still growing. Right now, we almost hitting the 100 subscriber mark, and I appreciate your love and support through this journey. Without wasting much time, so we'll jump over to the weekly market analysis, and I want us to start by looking at the calendar that we have in front of us. So, looking at this week, we have a couple of news, especially on Wednesday and Friday. So, the pairs that will be most affected for this week is the euro, because on Wednesday we have a couple of news that are touching on that zone. On Thursday also we'll have some few news touching on the US dollar, that is the USD. Sorry, as Friday we also have some news, a mixture of euro, Chinese, Canadian, and also Australia, and also USD. So stay ahead of the fundamentals in making sure that you are aware of what is happening in the economic calendar before you take in your perspectives and technicals. So it's been a good run, a couple of weeks that we've been trading, and especially the couple of weeks that I've been sharing my analysis. So everything has been going all right. The analysis has been really helpful. I'm getting very good positive feedback from both the members of the community that we have the Telegram, and as well members will come by to watch the YouTube videos on which I post on a weekly basis. Now, to start with, we're looking at the dollar index. So the dollar index, as you always know, is what we start with, and the dollar index is usually an indicator of the strength of the weakness of the dollar. I'm quite sure that you guys know that if you've been watching these YouTube videos that I've done. So looking at the dollar index, so we still have the structure intact, the bearish structure intact, because last week we were trading. We were looking for a pullback to this zone, which now has already happened. So we were looking for the market even to push lower, but okay, it didn't happen. But now we have a retest of the previous zone, where we expect that the market will still is still holding on to the bearish structure. So looking at the dollar index, there is nothing that has changed much in terms of the trend. So I'm still looking at the break of these pattern that has formed here. Let's call it a flag. So I'm looking for the market to go below and touch these levels, immediate levels. If we can be able to, the bears can be able to continue the same move, then we expect a touch of the next key level, which is this one, but is not a must. So might be seeing the bearish strength running out. But for this week, we are looking at a bearish dollar, and we are looking to hit this immediate zone of support going down. Let's jump over to gold. Gold. This is what we've been looking at the previous weeks, actually. And looking at gold from the higher time frame, we can see that gold has been moving down, really bearish in terms of structure. So gold also, looking at the 4-hour time frame, we were trading this setup last week, and I posted it on the Telegram group. Those who are part of that community. So we are looking to short gold, and that is what actually we've been doing for the better part of last week. Now looking at the new week, gold actually, as per now, whatever you're looking on the dollar index and gold, gold is actually most times inversely correlated to the dollar index. But at the moment, we have bearish structure on the dollar index, as we have looked, and also we have a bearish structure on gold. So it becomes confusing when you have this kind of structure correlation, because we know that anytime the dollar is appreciating, then people are selling gold, and anytime that the dollar is depreciating, then people are buying gold. But at this point, we don't have anything like that. So looking at gold, we still looking at a bearish, to maintain the bearish structure. If at all this flag that has already been broken out is to stand, then we expect also gold to go for the next structure. But again, looking at the 1 hour time frame, gold may play games on us. If at all we've not broken this structure, level of structure here, level of support here, then I expect we might have still an upward move on gold. So what we may be looking at is and this double bottom holding for gold to retest this structure that was broken earlier on. But if we are able to break this level, that is 23.27, then I am quite sure that gold is going to be headed to 22.95. So keep watching on those major key levels as we trade the gold for this week. The next thing that I'm looking is EURUSD. EURUSD for the week, last week, let's look at EURUSD. So, right, so EURUSD, this is what we have. Still, I was maintaining a bullish structure on EURUSD. So I still expect EURUSD to go to the next key level. And as per at the moment, what we are having on the 4 hour time frame, it seems like EURUSD has retested previous level of support. So not really touched that zone, but we almost there. So I'm looking for a bullish EURUSD because the current retracement is quite deep. So if we pull out our Fibonacci retracement tool, then you might realize that we are at level 61.8 at the moment. So EURUSD expect a bullish move coming this week. So for the next key level, that is 0.0946. So EURUSD, we are bullish. The same case for GBP USD. GBP USD, let's look at what we have. GBP USD, this is what we were expecting last week. I was expecting personally retracement to this level so that we can have a deeper correction of GBP USD. But as it stands, GBP USD seems like the bullish move is still holding on. And the bulls are still in the game. So for for GBP USD, we're still bullish, and we expect the market GBP USD to push higher until level 128.61. So look for bullish moves. As you can see here, what we have is a double bottom, which the neckline has already been broken. So we looking at the bullish move to push to these levels higher. So what we might be looking at for the open of the week is maybe a break of this little flag. Maybe we can go to the lower time frame, maybe 15 time frame. We might have a correction like this, then for the price to push higher. So look for that on GBPUSD, but generally we'll be looking at a bullish move on GBPUSD. So we also have an opportunity on US30. US30, as per last week updates on the Telegram community, is that we were bearish on US30. I was live on TikTok while we were analyzing this market together with the TikTok family or community, and as well as the Telegram community. So, and I said if we happen to break this structure, which is the flag, then we were looking for a bearish move. So we caught that move very well. If you join the community, you can also be able to pay close attention to what we were trading. And yeah, so for this new week, I expect the move still to continue. So we are actually breaking out of this beautiful flag here. So we are actually breaking out of this beautiful flag here. So as you can see, so it's either we continue with this move, or we might pull back a little bit to this level, then proceed down. So for US 30, we are still looking for a bearish move until the next key level. So now for other pairs that I trade, that is USD CHF and USD CAD and USD JPY, there is a lot of confusion on that side of the market for those pairs. So I wouldn't like to touch them, because whatever I have been projecting on those moves, it seems like is not working, or it's not happening anytime soon. So stay away from USD JPY. I'll stay away from USD CHF unless I get any worthy opportunities to look at. But as per now, at the moment, there is nothing that really is attracting me onto those markets. So I think I'll just focus on what I've already pulled out for you guys. So I always like to share these analyses earlier, so that you guys can know what to prepare for and what to look out for. Anytime I'm calling out the moves, I'm also going live on TikTok to explain why I am pulling the trigger. So make sure to join me on the journey, and let's trade the market together. So until next time, I don't want to make this video longer than this. Bye bye, and enjoy your new trading week. Thank you so much, and make sure to comment, make sure to subscribe. I'll road to 1,000 subscribers. Cheers and bye bye.